How to sign out on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can sign out on Mondly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Mondly account. So once you're already signed in and then you are wondering how to sign out, just move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to the settings page. So on this page, by the time you scroll down, you can see different options, right? So this first thing or the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on my account. After clicking on my account page, you can see name, email, and then you can link on that account. Just below that, you can see the sign out option. So just click on it. You in some cases you might be asked if you're sure that you want to sign out, select yes, but if not, automatically you'll be signed out of the Modly app. And then when next you're about to log in, you'll be asked to provide your login details. So this is how you can sign out of Modly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.